Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about a simple but important English word, those. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. So, what is those? It's a word we use to talk about things that are far away from us. Those helps us point to multiple objects or people that are not close by. It's very useful. When do we use those? We use it for things far from us, and for more than one thing. Remember, those is always plural. For example, those apples are red. See? More than one apple, far away. Let's see some daily examples. Those books are on the table. I like those shoes over there. Look at those stars in the sky. Those dogs are playing outside. Easy to understand, right? What's the difference between those and these? Those is for things far away. These is for things close to you. Both are plural. Those books are old means far away. These books are new means nearby. When we point to things far from us, we say those. Imagine pointing at birds in the sky or cars down the street. That's when those is perfect. Distance is the key here. How do we use those in sentences? It's simple. Those plus a noun plus a verb. Those cars are fast. Or those are beautiful. The structure is easy once you practice it a few times. Let's avoid common mistakes. Don't use those for one thing. Don't use it for things close to you. Wrong, those apple is red. Right, that apple is red. Wrong, those shoes here. Right, these shoes. Time to practice. Fill in the blanks. Blank books are mine, pointing far away. I like blank flowers here, close to me. Blank stars look bright tonight, far away. Did you get them all? Let's recap quickly. Those means more than one and far away. Use those for things not close to you. Those is always plural. Never use those for one thing or things nearby. Remember these rules. Thank you so much for learning with Wordscience. You now know how to use those correctly. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons.